Hello again. Thank you so much for coming to my kitchen. I want to say a big welcome to all of you who keep returning, and for those of you who are new, thank you so much. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple, very delicious, and very easy, very stressless dinner or lunch, however you want to call it. This, I whipped it up in the shortest time as long as I had all my ingredients prepped. So delicious, as you can see, so colorful and so good. Trust me, you can take this for lunch or you can even take it for dinner. But anyways, however you want to take it, it's all up to you. So right here we have my potatoes. I'm going to use these potatoes. I'm going to wash them and cut them. Then I have my bell peppers. I have the green, the yellow, and the red. I have my carrots, my scotch bonnet. I'm using some chicken too for this recipe. And also I have my salt and my nut cube. As you can see, I have my onion, very important. So right now, I'm going to prep all these ingredients, wash the potatoes, cut them up, and clean the chicken, slice them, and slice every other ingredient. And then I'll set them up. Then I'll start my cooking process. So right here, I have my already cut up potatoes. As you can see, already washed, cleaned, cut up to the size that I want. Now I'm going to be adding my salt to it. And then I'm going to be adding some water. This is pretty simple, and I'll boil this till it's soft, till it's really cooked. Now it's ready, as you can see. I'll set that aside, and right here I have my oil, and I already put some salt in my chicken, so I'm just gonna be frying that for some few minutes till it's really cooked. So guys, believe me, at the end of the day, this dish came out so delicious, so stressless, and so easy. I would love for you guys to try just something simple. If you're in a rush or if you have so much to do, you can just do this and your dinner or your lunch is ready and is so delicious. So I'm just going to be frying this at medium heat. Now it's ready. I'm putting my scotch bonnet first and followed by my onions. Very important. So I'm going to leave this to fry for like 2 minutes. And now I'm adding my salt and my garlic peppers seasoning, and then my nut cube. Guys, that garlic pepper seasoning is the best. So good. So I'll allow these all sink in. Let all the flavor just sink in and mix together into the chicken. And first off, I'm going to add my carrots, and I'll cook that for about 3 minutes to allow it to soften a little bit. And after that, I have a little bit of sauce that I made before. So I'm just going to be adding that too after stirring. Here's my sauce, ready-made sauce. So I'm going to put that in. You can add whatever you have at home, whatever you like, or you can even skip this process. And then I'm going to be adding all my sweet peppers. The moment I do this, I don't let it stay for more than 20 seconds because I love my peppers crunchy a little bit. And it's ready. That's it. It's done. So quick, so easy, so colorful, so beautiful, and so delicious. So now is the time for the taste test. So I just have my potatoes and then my veggies and my chicken. I'm good to go. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I want to say I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Bye.